Hermes scarf tutorial for how I got this 3-corner bandana look. Putting it in a triangle shape, we're gonna start it just like this. This piece under, make a loop going through, and then from the back, push this piece through. So it makes a knot just like that. And then on the other side, we're gonna go under, through again, and then pull it through. Little pony, and I'm gonna do the Picotin Doc Martens. For special editions, they don't have the yellow threads. Usual jewels, J. Crew cashmere, old jeans. That's it. Cute. And here are some scarf details.